At around 9 p.m., these trucks in Bhopal were shipping out the remnants of one of the worst
Truck number
industrial
1.
disasters in human history.
Truck number 2.
On 29 December 2024, 40 years after the Bhopal gas tragedy, the 337 metric tons of hazardous waste stored at the abandoned Union Carbide factory for decades was finally being removed. Around 100 people wearing PPE kits and maintaining a host of other strict safety measures worked in 30-minute shifts to pack and load the waste into the trucks. This major operation involved 12 specially designed leak-proof containers, each carrying approximately 30 tons of toxic waste. The waste was being transported 250 kilometers to an incineration plant in the Pitampur industrial area near Indore. The route was declared a green corridor with police, fire brigades and ambulances escorting the convoy. Ahead of the shift, the factory's 200-meter radius was sealed. At Pitampur, the waste would be incinerated under strict scientific protocols. The relocation was taking place despite protests from Pitampur's 1.75 lakh residents. Many of these residents had alleged that a trial incineration of 10 tons of waste in Pitampur in 2015 had caused soil and water contamination here. But the authorities did not agree.
2015 में ट्रायल रन किया गया था और उसे डिस्पोज किया गया था। उसकी जो रिपोर्ट्स आई हैं वो सारी की सारी फेवरेबल रही हैं। कोई भी उसका एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर नहीं आया है।
In December 1984, a gas leak at the Union Carbide plant in Bhopal killed over 5,000 people overnight and left thousands more with lifelong health issues. But even after Union Carbide shut down operations, the site was left to rot and its toxic remnants continued to poison the land and water for decades.
गैस की वजह से हमें 2 बच्चे भी हो गए खत्म।
In 1999, groundwater testing near the site revealed mercury levels up to 6 million times greater than what's considered safe. The water contained chemicals that could cause cancer, brain damage, and birth defects. In 2001, Dow Chemical acquired Union Carbide, inheriting its assets and liabilities. Yet, Dow has repeatedly refused to clean up the site. Meanwhile, survivors of the tragedy received meager compensation, rupees 25,000 to rupees 1 lakh per victim in most cases, barely enough to cover medical expenses for 5 years. Union Carbide itself was charged with culpable homicide, but its executives never faced trial in India. In 2010, 7 former employees were convicted of negligence, receiving 2-year prison sentences, a verdict widely seen as insufficient justice. The incineration of 337 tons of waste in Pitampur was expected to take anywhere from 51 to 153 days. Once burnt, the ash would be seal-packed and buried to prevent contamination. This operation was a significant step, but a grim reminder of the decades of suffering endured by Bhopal's residents.
झाग निकल रही थी, कई लोगों ने अपने कपड़े खराब कर लिए थे, लेटरिन हो गई थी, पेशाब हो गया था, बहुत मतलब इतनी गंदी स्थिति थी।